Hello, Fambul, una kusha, una kabo, una welcome today again to this wonderful channel. Fambul, na beach road that is so Aberdeen. We just pass one side, una can see, the road on the go bad day. And this now a very recent case anyway. I hope say the road maintenance authority them will try for sort out that situation there before it get worse. Well, today by this episode, I want to talk something where I see it just rampant na Freetown and nobody know the same for like shed any attention to that. All over Freetown, we go especially now the main business districts, check out Stephen Street, all inside and you see motka in the park na the road at random. People and just the park at random. And people and they stop them to call them at random, any side. You know, if we always talk say salon fine and salon sweet, Lord not just say this in a hypocritical way. Lord we actually mean them. You know, look where them Mutkaya park now. Why them for park so? We not civilized people and for God's sake. Not for just they do things then just because it fits the comforts of we at that moment. Why would it inconvenience other people them? You know, you see Mutka in the park at the sidewalk where people are not able for pass fine safe. You know, something and the way they actually do in the detriment of the society itself. You know, the Minister of Tourism, where I feel say they oversee activities then at this area so, or the councillor or the mayor where they oversee the inside for make sure say they get good car park them. I can only see like I say now 2 car park then at this old road, and this road is more than 2 miles or even more. You know, usai motka then go they park, while in the park then they pay. That na money always then go they generate for the council or the area. We go bring more developments. Now we say them pay 5,000 for every hour where them park there. 5,000 for every hour where them park. That is money where them go bring and for bring more developments. Where them go use for bring more developments in the area. But I don't know, nobody seem for care. Even the mayor says, I don't understand. We dey praise them, we dey talk good about them, they do a good job. But I feel say some of them need for they look into them. You know, we can't see candy like a lawless. Everybody just they do what you want to do. Uda the park, usai one park. You know, along this trip here, we need like a more than 5 sided for park, but I only see like a 2 sided for park. And people and for learn, for get into the culture. Not necessarily say because you want candy at this particular buy, and they no more for park. You can park on side, you walk 5-10 minutes for go outside you want go. Now then I see where I go to England. All this years I don't live in England. You know they just say, oh, the motor car way for can't take me the taxi or the puda for can't take me exactly where I nap. Then for be designated area, then we motor car they pick people and drop people them. We not civilized people and for God's sake, let them not just they do things them just because of wallet things and suits we. What about the inconvenience of the other people them? So we get for the think of all lengths here. If we actually want to move forward, want go before, want live like the other civilized society then the world where they admire, the England and the America them, the Australia them. We get for they do things accordingly, not so just because of we want let things and suits we. Look where most them park all over the streets at random, then just they under. You know, for park, we forget designated, we forget side the winner parking garage side the winner for just go parking lots them, parking bay them, like a yaso. Look this, you know, You go there, you park. If na 1 hour it take, you pay you 5,000 leons. 2 hours, and I park longer, you will get kind of a discount. Some of the people, if we build and cafe them, or we can able make land them. Me, if me get land here, and instead of I make a cafe or whatever, I can make them for park. Then pay me money. We all make money, not to everybody for can make beach bar. Not to everybody. Some business and the way your business can be for park. Motoka for can park. Where you go middle free turn back, Sheka Stephen Street, this place Rodin Streets, Garis in streets. You see them all man just park na the streets. We can clear one lot of land. We go this and 4-acre land. Make parking. Then they let people in the park them motoka them. Then charge them. Then they can even make more money than hotel them. No, not just the way one person do one type of business. Everybody they go, you go do them. We not go do until this no foreigner begin do or begin complain. Say foreigner and they do, then they take care, then they take the business and we earn. But we all get the sense for do the same business, and so on any land there are some to foreigner gets in. Now we salon people and get in. Why we not go do some of them business they are so? Make side way people and they can't pay, they can't park the motoka and then pay. Look where all our park na the stoop na the sidewalk. Kusa people and the waka very uncomfortable. Now people and able for waka well again. Just because some man one park na this side because I also in one for can. Spending time. No, you can park other side. You walk out towards a Canada side. You want to spend your time. I ain't called civilized people. Civilized nation. We not just they do things them at random. If we actually want to make this country go before, we get for do things them with the conscience of doing the right thing. Not to just you can't park. You say you want park and go and come back. Then I can see so-called wording then they can because a so-called wording may go call them. Like drag and they can't clamp somebody in motoka. We actually therefore enforce the laws them we don't already do. Enforce them. Not to wording the can at random, you can't clamp somebody in motoka. We forget people the way they stagnantly for the make sure say people are not pack, not to just for can clamp. People are not for park side the way they're not supposed for park. Me Fambule, as always, me the try for create this awareness. Through my channel, so that we go they always do the right thing. If we want less longer before, we forget for practice good habits them. Do the right thing them. Not so we go make a special day. For the police and can drag because I drag me the see. Then go make a special day for can drag. No, not way for become an habit to we. And if something get for become an habit to we, then go for every day the practice something there for the practice that in there. Not to like a setup for can. It's like the police then they do actually for change the attitude and the habits of people. Then they do them because of them. The one can drag that particular moment there and make money. You know, we got for take ourselves serious. We got for actually take ourselves serious in this country. Yeah. You know, we're not going for make like I say a cat and mouse game. We got for take ourselves very, very serious. Because I see most of the time the police and the tin up in the middle of the road there, they stop motoka there. Where you pay you 400,000 or you able for bribe and at that point say you give them 50,000 or 100,000, it don't left you don't go. Problem back again at this country and the people away for enforce the law, the police them, the warden them. This they go to the high rank in them, the one that with the big butts in them, the 3 butts in the almost whatever lieutenant or IG. They're not kind of like serious for actually make changes in this country because everybody they fight for in pockets. You go ahead and the talk says if the police and get osusu when they get a money, without they pay bill this us. But while the country they go in drain, we get for actually take ourselves serious. Anyway, me fumble them as usual. I can vent them in video. I'm not to offend anybody or attack anybody. And because as he says, things then they go bad in this country where we need for pay attention to. If at all we will this will country go before. So do ya, wanna pass them video around, wanna share them, wanna go back and watch the old one them. So until then, God bless we all and God bless Salon.